Welcome everybody. It is Crypto Moose and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. What I'm going to do in this tutorial is show you step by step how to pick up some Cornucopias tokens. So this is going to be the COPI tokens. Right now we are on Cornucopias.io. COPI is an MMORPG AAA level game and I think it looks fantastic. So even on their website, enter the vast open world of Cornucopias. This is an absolute monster of a game, and in the future, I think you're going to see a lot of progress, especially long term, not only short term. So the first step is to create a Cardano wallet. I've got several on my Chrome extension tool. So I'm going to be doing a lot of different videos here in the future. I've already done a few. So go to the channel. We'll go over that in a minute. So first step is to create a NAMI wallet and pick up some ADA. So you're going to go to namiwallet.io, add to Brave or Chrome. So if you're using a laptop or a desktop, this is the best way to do it. So I'm not going to remove it. Here you will see a add extension, and then this will be what your wallet looks like, okay? So you can create different accounts, multiple accounts. You can add a hot wallet, a hardware wallet, something like a Ledger or a Trezor. So that's the first step, create a NAMI wallet, have it as a Chrome extension. And one thing I want to mention is that you want to go under collateral, set collateral. What this will do is add 5 ADA and it will help you cover transaction costs. So when you're using ADA to sign transactions, it's going to use a little bit of that for your gas fees, right? It's like your Lovelace. So, just make sure you have enough ADA, add some in there, have a good internet connection, have a minimum of 10 to 15 ADA, and set collateral. Okay, so the next step is to go to Dexhunter. You could also go to something like MinSwap. It's a great DEX, but we're going to go to Dexhunter. We're going to open up the app. And by the way, when you're navigating everything, you're going to notice under the link tree that I'm going to have things set up for you. I'm going to have direct links. I'm going to continue to build this so that you can just buy MELD or COPI or NVL a little bit quickly. I'm going to help you guys set that up with links. I'm going to provide more for you. So once you're here, you're going to connect your wallet. So let me disconnect and show you how to connect. Basically, you're just going to go to the top right, and I have links provided for you. You're going to be under app.dexhunter.io. You're going to connect that NAMI wallet. And if you need more of a guide, what you're going to do is go under the Crypto Moose YouTube channel. So go under videos here and type in NAMI wallet. You can put setup or tutorial, and I show you step by step. I have a short, it's a 1-minute video, and I also have a more in-depth 15-minute video. So if you guys need help, you can do that, or take an online course that will help you as well. So from there, you're going to go to swap on the left side here. So go to swap, and then you can select your amount of ADA once you select your what to buy. So to buy, we're going to select COPI. You could type in COPI, or maybe on top there. So here we're going to make a quick swap. We're just going to swap like 10 ADA, buy some COPI. Maybe we could do like half. Half or 10. What should we do? We'll do 10, like less than $5, just to show you how it works. So we're going to pay like what, 5 cents in fees approximately. So next we're going to sign the transaction, put in our password, and then you will see the order here under orders. Okay. And once this is successful, you will see it there. So if I go to receive, we'll give you a visual representation. You can see here we have 953 COPI. This will change in the future. So if I paste this wallet, we have 953, and we will see this change. This will be reflected. Okay, so we will see that once this order goes through. So right now it's pending, and that's the main way. That is for ADA to COPI. We have other videos as well. For example, if you want to buy COPI, let's put that in here. buy COPI with Ethereum. I have videos for that. How to buy COPI tokens, ETH to COPI. The other one is BNB. If you have BNB, I've got a BNB tutorial. And then I'm also going to be doing a Tangem one. So right now you can hold it on Tangem. So if we look here, it's 953. We should be able to see a difference here. We're also staking to NVL. Tons of content coming. This will be reflected in just a minute. So right now it's been successful. I wonder if it shows in this wallet here. So there you go. Now we have 1,038 and more for visual representation. I guess it's not showing very well on, there we go. So now we have 1,039 here. Okay. So that's probably the best way. And by the way, Dexhunter is a DEX aggregator. So it's going to aggregate and find you the best prices. So if you do that as well, if you look under this, you can see that, let's see, trading airdrops, Nuvula has completed, but there's been the Splash protocol snapshot, and then there's also Pangolin protocol. So when you're using Dexhunter or you're early on projects, you can, you may be seeing airdrops in the near future. So guys, check out the link tree. I will provide more links in the future. Pick up a hardware wallet, subscribe to the Moose, and we'll see you in the next one.